Hello students, welcome to you all Tagore Public School Digital class. Today we will learn class 7 lesson 3 questions. It is written by Leo Tolstoy. So let's start the lesson. One day the 3 questions came in a certain king's mind. What is the right time to begin something? Which people should he listen to? And what is the most important thing for him to do? He sent messenger throughout his kingdom, and he said that the person who would answer these 3 questions will get large sum of money. After listening this message, so many wise men came, but king was not satisfied with their answer. At last, he decided to seek the advice of hermit. Hermit lived in a small forest. King went into the forest, putting ordinary clothes. Before he reached the hermit hut, the king left his horse with his bodyguard and went alone to the hermit place. After reaching at hermit place, king saw the hermit was digging flower beds. The king asked his question, but the hermit was not replying him, and continuously he was doing his work. Then king said the hermit that, "You are tired, please give me a spade, I will work for you." The hermit given him that spade. The king had dug 2 beds. Then he stopped and again repeated his question. But the hermit not replied him, and stretching out his hand for the spade, and he said the king to take rest. But the king did not give him spade and continued to dig. When the sun set, the king again repeated his question. At that time, one bearded man running toward him. The man was bleeding from terrible stomach wound. The king tended to him, and they stayed the night in the hermit hut. The king slept so deeply that the next morning he could not even recognize the bearded man. To the king's surprise, the bearded man asked the king to forgive him. He confessed that he knew who the king was and that the king had executed his brother and seized his property. He said he had come to kill the king, but the king bodyguard wounded him. The king bodyguard wounded him. The man pleaded allegiance to the king, and he went on his way. The king asked the hermit again for his question. The hermit replied him, if he had not pitied his weakness and had not dug these beds for him, he would have gone away, and that man would have attacked on him. So important time was when king was digging the beds for hermit. Hermit was the important man. Whatever the king had done for the hermit was the important business. Then again he replied that when the men ran to them, the most important time was the king caring for him. So king was the most important man. The king did for the bearded man was the important business. Then again another example hermit given to him that now is the most important time, and the most important person is the king himself. No one knew what will happen in future. So the most important business is to do that a person good, because we were sent into the world for the purpose alone.